इन दिस ट्यूटोरियल हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं कि उबुंटू में कैसे हम लोग C++ प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं। अगर आप विंडोज़ या मैक यूजर्स हो तो आपके लिए ऑलरेडी एक सेपरेट ट्यूटोरियल मैंने बना रखा है, आप वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। इफ़ यू आर स्पेसिफिकली यूजिंग उबुंटू एंड यू वांट टू रन C++ कोड ऑन उबुंटू देन दिस ट्यूटोरियल इज़ फॉर यू। तो मैं अभी हेड बैक करता हूँ टू माई स्क्रीन। सो आई हैव इंस्टॉल्ड अ वर्चुअलाइजेशन सॉफ्टवेयर विद इन विच आई एम रनिंग दिस उबुंटू। तो मैं एक बार लॉग इन कर लेता हूँ। ओके, so I have just logged in. So let us write a very simple C++ program. तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक ऑलरेडी फाइल बना रखी थी, मैं इसको डिलीट कर देता हूँ एक्चुअली में। एंड देन लेट मी ओपन सम टेक्स्ट एडिटर. So I have a text editor. So if you are not comfortable with text editor, you can download or install Sublime text. For installing Sublime text, you can follow this tutorial. Basically there are couple of commands that you have to run, and these are like just go to apt and run these commands one by one, and you have to run this stable command, not the dev one, and after that one you have to run these two commands. After running that you will have Sublime already installed within you. So I am closing the text editor and going for with the Sublime text editor because it is a rich you can say a good IDE, not IDE actually, text editor to run the program. Okay, so let me just write a very simple program, very basic program. Okay, so this is like has include IO stream using namespace. This is very basic like hello world kind of program we saw in the Windows tutorial also. So this is my int main, I am doing output. So just notice how when I typed only this bracket and entered, so let me just show it again for you. So I typed this one and I typed only one bracket and it typed both for me, and when I pressed enter it added automatically an indentation. So this will not be available in a usual text editor, so that is why I advised you to use the Sublime text editor, and then we can write some program. Okay, hello world, and then we need to save this file as well. So let us say name of this file is, I am saving it as main.cpp. okay, so once you have saved you have to run this program. In order to run this program I am opening terminal. To run this program you need a compiler, means some program which understands C++ programming. So let us say we want to use GCC. So as you can see there is no GCC is already installed but there are no input files. So in order to run what I will do, GCC wait a second, we have to go to actually our desktop directory. So currently if you see this is let me just type a command for you to show where we are. So it is opening home/amit/ubuntu, but we are currently in the desktop directory, so I will have to move to the desktop directory. Okay, so here we are. If you see now we can see the list of files, but previously it was not there. If I type ls list all the files, you cannot find this main.cpp. So that is why we need to go to the desktop directory. Okay, so over here I will type just gcc-o main.c++. so okay, actually GCC is for running C program, you have to use G++. So in order to install like download G++, I will type this command, you can also follow along. Sudo apt install. I don't know whether it is install or get, means we can find out with Google, or it will tell us whether it is correct or not. Okay, so this command was correct. So you have to type basically this GCC, not GCC, you have to type this where did it go, sudo apt install G++, and after that it will install the G++, and then we are going to use G++ to compile and run our program. So I will type sudo, not sudo, G++-o main.c++. so okay, so we are missing a closing bracket. Let me just open this program again. Okay, so what did happen, did we forget to add something? I don't know what did happen just. So it is saying expected declaration before closing bracket token. Okay, so we have missed this syntax. Okay, so now this should run fine. Okay, yeah, so as you can see it generated an executable file To run this file, we will type dot slash. Dot means in the current directory, and slash means the list of files, and slash main, the file we want to execute. Just type this thing, and you can see that we are getting the correct output, which is hello world, or we can say hello coding on Mars. Okay, and add some formatting. For example, you can add \n to output new line at the end of this output. So now if I run this program, you can see the terminal, the prompt I got, it is on the next line, while earlier it was on the same line. So yeah, so to run C++ program, you need to install only G++. To run G++, let me just show you the command once again. It is sudo apt install G++. Other than that, you have to download also, it is optional, but you can download Sublime for like making easy for you editing and like formatting, and then yeah, you can run it. Yeah, so this is how you can basically run a C++ program in Ubuntu. That's it for this tutorial. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.